Hi guys, my name is Ishan and in this video I am going to share about how you can use chatbot and how it can be beneficial for your business. But before starting, let me tell you what chatbot is actually are. Well, basically chatbots are computer program designed to answer queries and provide customer support in chat form, whether written or verbal. So allow me to tell you three ways in which a chatbot can help your business grow that you might know exist. Okay, let's start with the first one, which is using chatbot as a source of lead. Yes, chatbot can serve as a great lead catcher. How? Well, even though a chatbot were not designed for this purpose, you can use them as a great source of leads by monitoring those people who often interact with your chatbot and ask frequent questions about your products as they might be interested in your buying.